To begin the calibration, click Menu, and then click on the Calibration tab. Step 1, just turn on the ignition, do not start the engine, and then it says to move to position 3, so we're going to turn our vehicle on accessory mode only. So then we're going to go ahead and hit continue. Now it's letting you know not to press on the accelerator pedal. Go ahead and hit continue. For step 3, we're going to press fully on the accelerator pedal. Be sure to hold the pedal all the way down and then hit continue while holding the pedal. And then it's going to ask, are you sure you want to save the min and max values? We're going to go ahead and hit save. And from there it's going to save the values. And then you'll be good to go.